Hundreds of people have found fulfilling careers at Thermo King in Hastings, Nebraska. If you're looking for a rewarding career and a welcoming community to settle into, we have a place for you on our team. At Thermo King, we're committed to providing high-quality products and responsive service to clients worldwide. We believe in hiring the best people to maintain our reputation of providing superior products and services. We care about our employees and provide the best facilities and opportunities possible for them.
One of the reasons why I did choose Thermo King Hastings is because of their lean program that they have in place and how all of management is bought into the lean manufacturing. And so that was the difference between coming here and going to Texas and Pennsylvania, is the belief that Thermo King and Ingersoll Rand and the resources they put in towards lean manufacturing.
For over 75 years, we've been a world leader in manufacturing transport temperature control systems for a variety of mobile applications. Thermo King is a division of Ingersoll Rand and a Fortune 500 company with 9 plants in 6 countries. Our facility is clean and innovative. We use lean manufacturing methods, making production processes efficient and environmentally beneficial. And your safety is important to us, so we use a number of practices to keep our employees safe.
Safety is kind of the #1 item on the decision-making matrix. You know, if you don't take care of the people, then don't even worry about the other stuff.
That's the culture and the behavior that we're looking for all of our employees, to think safe, be proactive, mitigate that problem, come up with some root causes, and fix it so it won't happen again.
Safety is something that we always hear here in the company. It's the most important thing that we have to be aware of. So it's very nice to have someone to care about your wellness.
We have 312 hourly and 50 salaried employees in our Hastings branch. Our organization is progressive, diverse, and inclusive. At Thermo King, we offer a generous 401k match program and other benefits including competitive pay rates and incentives. Our organization provides many opportunities for promotion and growth. Employees have many directions to grow within the company based on their interests and goals.
I want to be a tester for the company, but I would like to be an engineer. Those are things that I would like to do, but you know, it takes a little bit of time, but I feel like here with the people that work here, the people that help me out, I'm gonna reach my goals.
We also offer 100% tuition reimbursement and cover the cost of books for those who qualify. And the 2 colleges we have right here in Hastings make it easy to further your education.
If they're motivated enough, they can go to school, it's tuition reimbursement, or get training internally and learn different jobs internally.
I learned from all the other OpEx change agents and my coach and just operators on the shop floor. So I have the opportunity to coach, and I also have the opportunity to be coached.
The employees that join our team choose to stay in Hastings because they find a place in Thermo King and a home in the community. Thermo King is a strong pillar of Hastings. Within 1 year of the 2008 economic downturn, we recalled 100 employees. And in 2012, our company grew with the addition of production line employees. We're also proud to support the city we call home. Hastings is a close-knit city of 25,000, located in the heart of central Nebraska. The affordable housing and great education options make it the perfect place for young families.
For my family, I put them in Adams Central, which is a little bit west of town. It's a school that's 7th through 12th, which is exactly kind of the same school I went to. So I just think it's smaller class sizes. It was a good fit for them. So yeah, it was a great fit for us.
There's always something to do in the Hastings area, whether you're looking for family fun or nightlife options. No matter what your interests are, it's easy to fit into this friendly Midwestern community.
There's a lot of things that Hastings has to offer. Again, big town amenities, if you will, but small town feel.
We went to a local establishment on a Friday, but one of the things that make that so special is that first day that we were there, Tom Hastings, the president of the Commerce, he comes over and introduced himself to us. He said, "You guys look like you're new to the area," and he welcomed us, and he introduced us to some other prominent people in Hastings, and the people there are just so great, and they just welcomed us in, and that was totally awesome.
So if you've been looking to move your career forward in a growing company, located in a beautiful, welcoming community, we think Thermo King would be a great fit for you. Call us today to talk about your options to be a part of our team.